ever walked into a restaurant and suddenly your English disappears?
The waiter asks, "What can I get for you today?" And your brain goes totally blank?
You're not alone. And today, we're going to fix that.
Welcome back to Easy English Every Day, the podcast that helps you speak confidently in real life.
And in today's episode, at the restaurant, ordering food naturally, you'll learn exact phrases, real conversations, and cultural tips that native speakers use every day.
And stay with us till the end because we'll give you a mini speaking challenge, the 10 phrases that instantly make you sound more natural, and links to more restaurant English practice.
Imagine you walk into a restaurant. A friendly waiter approaches.
Hi, welcome. Table for 1 or 2.
For two, please.
This is the most useful sentence. Table for, please.
You don't need long sentences. Native speakers are simple.
And here are 2 more useful variations. Can we get a table by the window? Is there a table available outside?
Perfect if you want a specific type of seating.
Here you go. Here's your menu.
Thank you. Let's talk about common menu words people misunderstand.
For example, appetizers equals starters. Entree, US, equals main dish. Sides equals extra dishes like fries or salad.
And you can always ask, what do you recommend? Very natural. What's the most popular dish? Does this come with rice, fries, or salad?
Yes, natives ask these all the time.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Listen carefully. He didn't say, I want the chicken. Sounds rude. He said, I'd like. I'll have. Could I get? All three sound polite and natural.
Ordering variations. Here are examples. I'll have the pasta. Could I get the beef burger with no cheese? I'd like the salmon, please.
To ask about ingredients, does it have dairy? Is it spicy? Can you make it less salty? Can I have the sauce on the side?
Ordering drinks. And for drinks, we're offering still or sparkling water. Can I get a glass of orange juice? Do you have decaf coffee?
Making small talk. Small talk makes your English sound friendly, especially in English-speaking countries.
Try these. This looks great. It smells amazing. The service is wonderful today.
And if something is wrong, here's the polite way. Excuse me, I think this isn't what I ordered. Sorry, could you warm this up a little more?
Polite, clear, respectful.
Would you like the bill?
Yes, please.
Or you can say, could we get the check? US. Can I have the bill? UK.
When paying, I'll pay by card. Or, can we split the bill? Or, keep the change.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Practice time.
Now, repeat after us. Take your time. Speak confidently.
Table for 2, please.
I'd like the grilled chicken.
Could I get the sauce on the side?
What do you recommend?
Can I have the bill, please?
Great job. Practice these daily. and your restaurant English will become natural.
Cultural tips. In the U.S., waiters check on you often. How's everything? Can I get you anything else? You should respond politely. Everything is great, thank you. We're good for now.
In the UK, service is quieter. Waiters don't interrupt as much. So if you need something, simply say, "Excuse me, could we have some water?"
Cultural differences matter. They shape the conversation.
Many speaking challenge. Record yourself saying these lines. 1. I'd like the pasta, please. 2. Could you tell me what's in this dish? 3. Can I have the bill, please?
Then comment on this episode. What's your favorite restaurant food? We'll read your answers in the next episode.
Thanks for listening to Easy English Every Day. Episode At the Restaurant, Ordering Food Naturally.
If this helped you, hit subscribe, share this lesson, and listen to our episode, Real English in Coffee Shops, Order Like a Native.
Every small conversation brings you closer to fluency.
See you in the next episode.